While the world watches Elon Musk present his Tesla bot, the real revolution in humanoid robotics isn't happening in Silicon Valley. It's unfolding in secret, inside the factories of the world's largest car manufacturer. They've given it a code name steeped in ancient history, and its purpose could change the world far beyond the assembly line. The race for embodied AI has a silent leader, and you've probably never heard their plan. For the last few years, the story of humanoid robots has been a loud one, dominated by familiar names. We've seen Boston Dynamics' Atlas performing parkour with terrifying grace. We've seen Tesla's Optimus evolving from a person in a suit to a robot gingerly folding a t-shirt. And more recently, we've seen Figure AI, a hot startup backed by Jeff Bezos and Microsoft, partner with BMW to deploy its robots in a US car plant. The narrative is clear. American ingenuity and German engineering are leading the charge to create a robotic workforce. The goal seems straightforward: replace dull, dirty, and dangerous jobs on the assembly line. The challenges are immense: power, dexterity, cost-effective manufacturing. It's a race of software, sensors, and actuators. This is the surface story, the one played out in press releases and flashy demos. But it's only half the picture. The most significant move in this space is happening almost in complete silence, driven by a company that has already redefined an entire industry. To understand the future of robotics, you first need to understand BYD, Build Your Dreams. In 2023, they surpassed Tesla to become the world's #1 seller of electric vehicles. But calling them a car company is like calling Samsung a phone company. It misses the point entirely. BYD is a colossal, vertically integrated empire. They don't just assemble cars, they control the entire supply chain. They mine the lithium. They manufacture their own revolutionary blade batteries, which are a masterclass in energy density and safety. They design and produce their own semiconductors and microcontrollers. While other car companies scrambled for chips during the global shortage, BYD was supplying its own. This obsessive control over every component is their superpower. It allowed them to build better, cheaper EVs faster than anyone else. Now they're applying that same ruthless logic to the next great technological frontier: embodied AI. Inside BYD, sources suggest a top-secret project is underway, codenamed Yao-Shun-Yu. The name itself is a powerful statement. Yao, Shun, and Yu are 3 legendary sage kings from ancient China, figures who represent a golden age of benevolent rule, technological prowess, and societal harmony. This isn't a catchy product name, it's a declaration of national and corporate ambition. While details are scarce, we can piece together the engineering logic based on BYD's existing strengths. Powering a humanoid robot is a monumental challenge. But who better to solve it than the world's leading battery maker? Expect Yao-Shun-Yu to leverage blade battery technology, creating a robot with unprecedented operational endurance. For motion and efficiency, look to their expertise in electric motor and powertrain design, perfected in millions of EVs. And for the brain, BYD's in-house semiconductor division can create custom AI chips optimized specifically for robotic learning and real-world interaction, a massive advantage over companies reliant on off-the-shelf processors. The goal isn't just to build a robot, it's to build a robot where every single component, from the battery chemistry to the silicon brain, is designed in-house to work in perfect harmony. This is vertical integration on a biological level. So, why is a car company building a humanoid? The initial answer is obvious: to build cars. Imagine a BYD factory, not just automated, but autonomic. A living system where Yao-Shun-Yu robots don't just perform rote tasks, but adapt, learn, and problem solve. One robot might notice a flaw in a door panel, communicate it to the others, and collectively adjust their technique in real time. This creates a powerful flywheel effect. The robots build the cars. The data from building millions of cars improves the robots. Better robots build better, cheaper cars faster. This allows for hyper-customization at mass market prices. But the truly profound implication is what this means for AI. The robots aren't just learning in a simulation, they are learning from the physics of the real world. This is embodied AI in its purest form. An AI that understands force, friction, and gravity not as abstract concepts, but as lived experience. An AI that learns by doing. This physical grounding could allow BYD's AI to leapfrog the purely data-based models of its rivals. The factory is just the training ground. A robot that can master the complex, delicate task of assembling a car can do so much more. Once Yao-Shun-Yu proves itself inside BYD's walls, the next step is the world outside. Think about logistics and warehousing, a sector already straining under e-commerce demand. Think about construction, agriculture, and infrastructure maintenance. And then, think about your home. A general-purpose robot born from the brutal efficiency of the factory floor and powered by the world's best batteries could become the ultimate appliance. It could cook, clean, do laundry, and even provide basic elder care assistance. Just as BYD used its scale to drive down the cost of EVs, it could use its manufacturing might to make general-purpose robots affordable for households and small businesses. This isn't just about who builds the coolest robot. It's about who can build a reliable, affordable, and useful robot at the scale of millions. The same strategy that put a BYD car in every driveway could put a BYD robot in every home. The race for the future is often fought in the headlines with bombastic promises and charismatic CEOs. But sometimes the most profound revolutions happen quietly, built on a foundation of engineering excellence and strategic patience. BYD's silent development of a humanoid robot isn't just an answer to Tesla's Optimus, it's a fundamentally different approach. It leverages a vertically integrated empire to solve the hardest problems of robotics from the ground up. The result might not just be a new workforce for their factories, but a new kind of tool for all of humanity. The age of embodied AI is here, and its center of gravity may be shifting east. Thanks for watching. If you want to stay ahead of the curve on the technologies shaping our world, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell. And let us know in the comments, would you trust a robot in your home? Next up, we're diving deep into the world of neural implants. Is it the key to human evolution or a dystopian nightmare? You won't want to miss it.